All right, Bobby just went back to the hardware store for the second time of this trip because that's very corroded. So I figured while he's gone, I'd jump down in here and give you guys a look at the engine compartment. So we have 2 diesel engines, and there are some things that we definitely need to fix and deal with, and the generator is back there. So one of the things we noticed right off the bat, besides the corrosion, is corrosion. That is the oil pump for the transmission, and it should look more like that one, but it doesn't. It looks like that, and there's a bolt missing, and I think we might be able to figure out why there's no pressure in our transmission. Just a thought. The other thing we noticed is there's this nice pretty filter that goes into the turbo over here. Excuse me, but thankfully we were able to find it. It was hidden for some reason that I do not understand, but at least we have the part, which is great. The other thing that we have to fix is, if you come over here, do you see how nice and pretty this filter is? This one, not so much. So before we start the engines, we're gonna have to sort this out, but that's not today. And then this thing supposedly runs. This is our generator. I'm not sure I'm gonna hold my breath on that one. That might need some work. But yeah, these are our beautiful diesel engines that are gonna push this giant boat through the ocean.